Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this sugar-free eggnog. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. The holidays are fast approaching, so what better time than now to learn how to make sugar-free eggnog. So, you know, some people just really like eggnog in the holidays, and this would be the perfect recipe if you're trying to keep your sugar intake down, but you still want to enjoy a treat. We are going to start with 6 egg yolks, and so we've already, separated them out from the egg whites. If you want, you can save your egg whites for another recipe. And we're going to add half a cup of granulated sweetener. This is Lakanto, which is a monk fruit and erythritol blend, but if you want, you could use like Swerve or I don't know what other, you would want to use some kind of a granulated sweetener that is like erythritol based or allulose or something like that. So we're going to mix these up with a hand mixer for about 3 minutes until they're light and creamy. Okay, our egg yolks look perfect, nice and creamy and pale in color. That's what you want. Okay, now we've got a saucepan and we're going to heat it over medium heat. And we're going to combine 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 cups of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. We're also going to add a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a pinch of salt. So we're going to heat this until the milk is heated through. Okay, we brought our liquid up to a simmer and then we reduced it down to low. So I'm going to move that to the side just a little bit because we're going to ladle some of this into our egg yolks to temper the egg yolks. If you were to just pour all of this in here, it would probably curdle your egg yolks, but you want to just temper it. So we're going to pour a spoonful in and then whisk it in. And we want to continue doing that until all of this liquid is incorporated into our egg yolks. Okay, we got all of our milk mixture tempered or mixed in with our egg yolks and our sweetener. So now we're going to add some vanilla extract. The recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm adding a teaspoon because you can never have too much vanilla. Okay, and now this is ready to serve. If you wanted, you could pour it back into the saucepan and keep it warm. But I'm just going to serve it like this in these nice glass cups. Okay, now we can just garnish with a little bit of cinnamon. How pretty is that? And this recipe makes 6 servings. I would guess about a cup each because I did 2 ladles full. And a ladle is about a half a cup, and there's still quite a bit in there. So 6 nice servings, and you've got a little treat of eggnog. Each serving is 2 net carbs and 200 calories. And so let's give it a taste. Oh, that's good. I love the additional vanilla, the nutmeg, the cinnamon. Ooh, that is so comforting and delicious. So be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.